Welcome to the unboxing of Fiio K3. Purchased it from Amazon. It's a really small package and it is without a battery. I bought it for its capability to connect to your home stereo through coaxial or optical inputs. So let's get into the packaging. So this is imported in the month of October itself, and September it has been manufactured. Yep. Nice. Player itself packaged in cushion. Okay. Wow, such a nice portable and handy unit. Has a satisfactory click also. Buttons are good. .2.5 balance, 3.5 mm, line out 3.5, optical as well as coaxial inputs. Nice. Cool. What else do we get? We get a warranty card. Okay. Done. We get a manual. Anyways, I'll download it online and I'll refer to it. And we get two rubber feet, one USB Type-C cable, which I won't be using. Have loads of USB Type-C cable, but this is all what you get in the package. Thank you for watching. Time for me to test it now. Thank you.